The GEB brand belongs to General Electronics Technology Company, Limited. It is a manufacturer specializing in the lithium battery of electric bicycles. GEB means getting energy from our battery. The brand enjoys a high reputation in the global lithium battery industry. Our factory was established in 2009 and is located in Shenzhen. The company has gone through 15 years. Today, we have more than 180 employees from product development to the global lithium battery market. The company always abides by the principles of technical services, and must first abide by quality and customers. Over time, the company's annual sales will continue to grow. By the end of 2023, the company's sales will exceed $30 million. Gradually become the leader of the lithium battery industry.
Getting energy from our battery.